So it's Deb and Shelley at Skein Sisters. And Shelley is here this weekend to do some workshops and to release her amazing new book, Granny Square Garden. But Olga, one of our beautiful staff, brought in 2 blankets of Shelley's that she made, and we wanted to show you those.
Because they're amazing.
Amazing.
So this is the Cove, which you can make the other way.
Oh, I'm back to front, am I? Oh, look at that.
It's a choose your own adventure blanket, so you can stop here and it's a baby blanket, or you can do the shortcut to be here, or you can go the scenic
Look
route
at this.
Look at this.
to go huge.
And look, lovely Olga's still got some ends to go. But
That's
not
okay.
many. Look,
Oh,
there's none on the back.
Oh, trust Deb to point those
Oh,
out.
I just think it shows we don't all finish and then finish right away. Like sometimes you can be sewing the ends in years later. Well, still use it, right?
I actually sewed in the ends on one of my book blankets last week.
Touch them out on the
Yes.
pictures.
Oops,
Oops, we've got.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry. That's totally fine. You're coming home for Shelley's class.
Yes, I am sorry.
It's all part of the fun.
It is.
So-
I love what Olga's done because she's actually added more of the border here. She's enjoyed the border so much, she's
Yeah.
made it longer than this is called the Pebble Beach section. So
Yes.
this is the Cove, so you imagine yourself walking around a cove. You start with a sunrise in the middle. There's a sun sort of motif here. And then you watch the ripples on the beach. And then you walk up and sit on a wickerwork chair to admire the view. And then you go to where they have cabanas and you can sit back and have a cocktail served to you as you're wandering around it.
Yes.
And then you can wander straight to Pebble Beach, or you can go the scenic route and do some of these extra squares before you get to Pebble Beach.
Yeah. So this one is sort of based on your original colourway, I think. So we've got
Yes.
kits for both of these. This is your original colourway, and then this is one that Olga designed herself. The colours of strawberry shortcake.
Yeah.
Which
looks
is so
beautiful.
pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I was really interested, Shelley. You said the inspiration, the story came second.
Yeah, sometimes that's how it works. So I love designing. So sitting down to play, and I just played and played and played. And then at the end, I came up with the story, the cove, the sunrise, the cabanas, everything sort of fell into place.
Yeah.
So I don't know if there was something subconscious in me as I was designing, but
Did
because
you
it all
start
worked out
off
really
with
well.
these kind of colours?
I always start in one colour.
Oh, do you?
I always
In
design in one.
White. In white or cream?
Yeah, the cream, and then the colour comes later.
Right.
Yeah.
It's amazing, isn't it? What's going on in your head? I'd love to know.
Oh,
sometimes.
too many things.
So we are going to have the most fun weekend.
We are.
We're going to show some of your amazing blankets later from the Granny Square Garden. So if you can join us, there's still some not seats, there's still a few tickets left for our evening tonight with Shelley. Otherwise, just pop in and there's probably be some samples around too that you can look out.
Great to be here.